Good morning, children. Write the numbers in place value table and add. Children, here I have drawn 5 rows column. Okay. See here, why I have left this empty means whenever we get a double digit, we must carry over. How to find out whether the sum is simple addition or addition with carrying? What you have to do is, here, what is the question? 172 plus 179. Okay, so here what we have to do, which is a bigger number? 9. So 9 we have to keep in our mind and take 2 fingers. After 9, 10, 11. See here, I have told you we must not write double digit while explaining unit. So here 11 is the answer. So unit side 11 we have to write 1 here and 1 we have to give carry. Like I will show you, children. See here 11 is the answer. Okay. So tens place, unit place. This one is in unit place, so write it unit place. This is in tens place, so you have to carry over. So this is called as carry over. Now, when your friend is coming with you, will you leave him? No. So same way, he is your friend now. So what you have to do? First you have to add. 7 is a big number, take 1 finger in your hand. So after 7, 8. So these 2 became 8. So 8, keep in the mind, take 7 fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now children, again we got answer is 15. So 5, we have to write it here. And this one again we have to carry over. This is very simple. So we can count like 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? 351. Okay, now next one. What is the question? 411 plus 299. Here which is a big number? 9. Yes, you are correct. So 9 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. Okay, so 9 plus 1. What is the answer? 10. So 0 is in which place? Unit place. 1 is in which place? Tens place. So this one you have to write here. Now this is your friend now. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 2. So this you have to keep in a mind. But take 9 fingers in a mind and keep these 2 fingers in your hand because it is easy. Okay, so 9. After 9, 10, 11. Again you got 11. Okay, so this one you have to keep it here and this one you have to give carry over. Again you got a friend here. You must not leave your friends in between. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 is a big number. Keep in your mind and take 2 fingers in your hand. So 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So answer is 710. Okay. So now let's go to the second question. 362 plus 428. So which is a big number here? Yes, you are correct. 8 is big number. So 8 keep in your mind, take 2 fingers. After 8, 9, 10. So how to write this? First you write it here in a rough work. 0 you have to keep under unit place and 1 you have to give carry over. Now he is a friend, you must not leave him. So first what you have to do? You have to add 6 plus 1, 7. 7 keep in your mind, take 2 fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Now this is very simple, children. 4. 4 is a big number. Keep in your mind, take 3 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So write the answer. So what is the answer here? 790. Next question. 715 plus 176. So what you have to do, which is a big number here? 6. So 6 keep in your mind, take 5 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again you have to put same thing. Okay, this one you have to write it here. Again you got a friend. You must not leave your friend. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 is a big number. Keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers in your hand. After 7, 8, 9. So no need of writing this way. It's a direct, simple. So you can write it here. 7 is a big number. 7 plus 1, 8. So write here 8. What is the answer? 891. Now we'll come to the next sum. 628 plus 325. Okay. So 8 is a big number. Keep in your mind and take 5 fingers in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what you have to do? You have to write here. This is your rough work. You will not get confusion. So this 3 you write it here. You got a friend. So what you have to do? You have to add this friend with you. You must not leave him. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is a big number. Keep in your mind and take 2 fingers. After 3, 4, 5. It's a simple. No need of writing here. 5. Which is a big number here? 6. 6 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's a simple. You can write it straight away. So what is the answer? 953. Now let's go to the fifth sum. 547 plus 278. Which is a big number here? 8. So 8 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what you have to do? Roughly you have to write this way. Okay. So 5 is in which place? Unit place. 1 is in which place? Tens place. So you must not leave your friend. 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 is bigger or 7 is bigger? 7 is bigger. So 7 keep in your mind and take 5 fingers in your hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again you got a 2-digit number. So write it this way. 2 you have to write under this and 1 you have to give carry over. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is a big number. Keep in your mind and take 2 fingers. After 6, 7, 8. It's a simple. So what is the answer? 825. Now fourth main, children. Write the numbers in the vertical column and find the sum. Same way, but it is not having the place value table. So which is a big, children, here? 7 or 4? Yes, you are right. 7. So 7 keep in your mind and take 4 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I wanted you to use this method so that you will not get confusion what to do. So what is the answer? 11. So this one I have to write it here and this one I have to give carry over. Okay, you can put round also, doesn't matter. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is bigger or 8 is bigger? 8. So 8 keep in your mind, take 3 fingers in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So again what you have to do? 1 you have to give right here and this one you have to give carry over. So I told you this is your friend, you must not leave. 5 plus 1, 6. So which is bigger? 6 or 2? 6 is bigger. So 6 keep in your mind and take 2 fingers. After 6, 7, 8. So right answer 811. Next. 474, 359. Which is a bigger number, children, here? 9. So 9 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what you have to do? You have to write it here 13. 3 you write it here and 1 you have to give carry over. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 keep in your mind, take 5 fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13 again. So what you have to do? These 3 you have to keep it here. 1 you have to carry over. So 4 plus 1, 5. Which is big number? 5 or 3? 5. So 5 keep in your mind, take 3 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer here? 833. Now let's move to second question. 684 plus 310. Okay, children, here it's very simple. Directly you can write 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. What is the answer? 8 is a bigger number. Keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 6 plus 3. 6 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers in your hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So this is 9. 994. Children, let me check this question, okay? Yeah, this is simple only. Okay. Now, here 578 plus 190 equals 2. Which is big number here? 8. 0 means nothing. So write same number. Which is bigger here? 9. So 9 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now what you have to do? You have to write it this way. 6 is in unit place. 1 you have to do carry over. Now again you got friend children. So you must not leave. 5 plus 1, 6. Which is bigger? 6 or 1? 6. So 6 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. After 6, 1, 7. So what is the answer? 768. Now we'll move to fourth question. 336 plus 478. Which is bigger children here? 8 is bigger. So 8 keep in our mind and take 6 fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what you have to do? You have to write it here 14. So now 4 is in unit place. Again you got a friend. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Which is bigger? 4 or 7? 7 is bigger. So 7 keep in a mind. Take 4 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what you have to do? Roughly you have to write it here. And this one is written here. And this one is written here. Okay. So 3 plus 1 is 4. I have told you when number is same, double is the game. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 2s are 8. So what is the answer? 814. Now next question. 552 plus 391. So it's a simple 2 plus 1, 3. Which is bigger here? 9 or 5? 9 is bigger. 9 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So roughly you write it here. 4 you keep in unit place. 1 you give carry over. So this is your friend. You must not leave. 5 plus 1, 6. Which is bigger here? 6 or 3? 6 is bigger. 6 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 943. Now last question children. Last of 3.1. 481 plus 888. Which is bigger here? 8. 8 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 9. Simple. Which is bigger here? Both are same. I have told you. When number is same, double is the game. 8 2s are 16. Or we will count 8 plus 8. 8 keep in our mind and 1 8 you take in your hands. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here you write 16. So 6 you have to write under unit place and 1 you have to give carry over. So 4 plus 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So which is bigger, children, here? 8 or 5? 8. So 8 keep in a mind. Take 5 fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here you have to write full. Why? Means we don't have here another number to give carryover. So here completes your 3.1 exercise. See you in the next class 3.2. We will solve. Thank you.